Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Ms. Espinosa and I am a kinder teacher in Texas. Today I am going to walk you through how to create this very easy template with number tracing, alphabet tracing, name tracing in different kinds of fonts, and lastly this name activity template. So that's 6 different worksheets in under 10 minutes, so let's go ahead and get started. We are going to open up a new presentation, and this is going to be a printable worksheet, so we're going to head over to design and custom slide size. We need to resize our page. So I want these worksheets to be landscape, so my width will be 11 and my height will be 8.5. But if you want portrait, you can easily just choose portrait, maximize, and now delete the text boxes. For this project border, I did use something a little more fun. I used a free doodle frame template, so let me show you where I got that from. That was from Teachers Pay Teachers, so that's what I'll be using. So drag that in. Now that the border is done, let's go ahead and insert a text box. This is going to be for tracing numbers. You can use whatever font you want. I used APL Big Mama. Let me make my font bigger. Insert some clip art. I'm going to press enter, and the next step is to start adding the numbers. Now that I typed out all the numbers, I'm going to highlight them, I'm going to center them, and I'm going to pick a tracing font. So I really like this tracing font that has no lines. It is called Hello Tracer. Let me make my font bigger now. Now that this template is done, let me duplicate the slide. Now we are going to write the alphabet. So I can trace letters. Alright, second page is done. Now let me duplicate the page again, and this time it will be for their name. I can trace my name. I'm going to use my name as an example. Now I'm going to duplicate my slide again. I'm going to highlight my name, and I'm going to use a different font this time. I will use KG Primary Dots Lined. So if you're looking for a font option that is lined, this is a good one and it's free. So let me pause and show you where you can get free fonts. So this one that I've been using, Hello Tracer, you can download that in the Hello Literacy Teachers Pay Teachers page, and it is over 200 fonts, but they are free. Once you download the fonts, open up the folder in your downloads, all fonts, and this is the humongous list of fonts. So the one I use is called Hello Tracer. You would click on the font that you want and install it. I honestly did go through every one of these and installed only the ones that I really liked. Another free font that you can get is from this Teachers Pay Teacher Sellers, and she has a ton of free fonts as well. When you download KG Primary Dots, it gives you 3 or 4 different options for KG Primary Dot. You can have just dotted with the lines, and so it's up to you what you are looking for in a font. So this is 5 examples. The last example I will show you, let me duplicate my slide again. I'm going to get rid of the clip art. Let me shorten this because down here at the bottom is where the student will cut out the letter tiles. So the first step will be I can trace my name. Let me make this smaller. So first the student will have to trace their name. I'm going to use the lined option. So KG Primary Dot. going to copy and paste this text box. The second step will be for the student to write it by themselves. I'm going to use another free font. This font is just called Hello Practice. It's just going to be the blank line. And number 3, they are going to build it. They're going to build their name with letter tiles. Now we'll go over the table, and for example, my name Espinosa has 8 letters. Highlight. We don't want any fill. I want the thickness to be 3, and I want all the borders. Now I'm going to draw a line down here. This is where the students will cut off the letter tiles. Shape outline will be black. And I want my line to be dashed. You could also change the lines for this, which I am going to. So now I want dashed lines, so students cut those letter tiles. There we go. And that's it. So if the students would have to cut out these letter tiles and place them in the correct order, they would build their name. If you want to make a class set of these, what I would do is duplicate the slide and so on and so forth. Just duplicate, type in the name very quickly, how many boxes they would need. But that is it for this tutorial, friends. I hope this was helpful to you if you are trying to create tracing worksheets. It's super easy to download those fonts. I will link the ones that I used in the description. Let me know in the comments what other types of resources you want to see me create on PowerPoint. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.